Hey guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Just wanted to do a quick update for GetFit Mining and MoveQuest, MQT. MQT is the token, GetFit Mining is the platform. And yeah, this thing is a pranker. It's a passive income printer, if you know what I mean. If you are in my Telegram, I just posted our result yesterday. Um, yeah, it's just doing phenomenal. I'm gonna actually go over what we made yesterday just from our physical activity, just doing what we normally do. Actually, it was a slower day because it was busy. I had a bunch of Zooms I had to get on. I had a couple of meetings. So I wasn't even able to go to the gym. I don't go to the gym every single day, but I wasn't able to go to the gym. But I did get my walk in, right? I still got my walks in. That's something I try to do all the time. So yeah, I'll show you my result and yeah, show you what this thing is actually paying out just from physical activity. Not even talking about referrals or anything like that. We haven't even talked about the comp plan at all on this channel. I don't think that's something we probably should do moving forward. So we'll do that on another video. This video, we just want to give you a quick update, show you what's possible with just you doing what you normally do, assuming you're somewhat active. And again, I'm not the most active person in the world. I'm I'm not one of these guys that's always at the gym or always at the track or anything like that. I'm busy. I'm super busy. I got several businesses that I run. I got an offline business that I run. Matter of fact, I never even talk about this, but most of my income is from my offline non-crypto business. Um, and crypto is just it's a fun thing that I do. Um, so a lot of time is, I do a lot of that. A lot of my time is, taken up through that. And then I got, kids that I running around doing the whole dad taxi thing. I got a couple of kids that are out of state, they're in college, so you know how that goes, man. There's always a fire that I got to put out. They're on the phone with me. They're texting me. There's something that needs to get paid for. So my time is super limited. So all of that just to say that, I'm not one of these guys that's working out 24/7. And yet we're still able to make money with this thing, just doing what we normally do, right? Because again, you probably walk every day. You probably sleep every day, right? You probably get a couple of works out in a couple times a week, right? And you're probably somewhat active, right? Why not get paid for that? Why not get paid for what you normally do anyways, right? So let me show you this post real quick. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I did this already, but obviously I'm not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you do decide to jump into GetFit mining or uh, great, I got a bunch of junk on my computer. Okay. If you do decide to jump into GetFit mining, please do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Risk capital only. At the end of the day, this is crypto. So again, you should only be putting in risk capital. Also follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, right? Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being said and out of the way, let me show you what I posted earlier this morning. So I posted this earlier this morning, guys. It says here, I posted my, this is from the app, the phone app, right? So I made 3.2 MQT, and at the price, when I took this picture, it was $98.20. So 3.2 MQT at $98.20 is $314, right? So check this out. And again, this is just my way of thinking. If you're on this channel, you're probably thinking percentage daily, right? We're so used to platforms that pay out, X percent a day or, this percent a day or that percent a day. This obviously doesn't do that, right? This is not one of these deals that pay out a certain percentage a day. You're mining and earning these tokens through your physical activity. But just to give you a little bit of a perspective and so you can see a little bit of what's possible, I wanted to give you terms that you may understand. Your brain might think this way, just like mine does, right? So I put here, this is printing crazy money. I was super busy. I didn't hit the gym, but I still got my walks in, made $314 just doing what I normally do. Here's what you guys missed. On this account alone, I have 7 Omega miners, right? In this account that I'm showing you on this video, I have 7 Omega miners, which cost me around $3,500, give or take, right? I got to go back and see exactly what it cost me, but with evolving the miners and plus the docking slots, it was give or take around $3,500. So if it cost me $3,500, right, and I made $314 for the day, that's about 9% for the day, right? Um, that's pretty insane, right? 9% for the day for just doing what I normally do anyway. That's crazy, right? I mean, we're at the point now where we've already recouped, we've already made what we put in. It's just free money. It's just free money at this point every single day. And again, this is just my account. What about my wife's account? What about my other son's account? But it's this free money that we're making right now just from our own physical activity. Because again, we're not sitting, 24/7. We're doing what we normally just do, right? And again, my wife is not like she's not at the gym all the time. She does what she needs to do. My son, on the other hand, he's very active, right? He's on the track team, so we're getting our money's worth on that account for sure, 100%, right? So he's running a couple of miles a day, right? 6 days a week. So he's earning all the money that he's ever spent in this. uh, anyway, this is Get Fit Mining, guys. If you want to check it out, um, let me see here. Go over here. Let me see here. Click on Get. It is on Avalanche, right? Here's a 7 Omega miners, right? Yeah, you got to evolve all your miners, right? Again, it takes 14 Lenny miners to evolve into 7 Omega miners. Now, you may not want to evolve all the way to 7 Omega miners, but you might want to do it piece by piece. That's fine. But yeah, this thing is, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Watch the getting started tutorial video I have underneath this video in the description box. I did a 18 or 19-minute video that kind of walked you through the setup process. And then if you have any questions, hit me up. I'm over on Telegram. Hit me up. Yeah, you need 3 tokens. You're going to need AVAX, you're going to need USDT, and you're going to need MQT, right? So I walk you through that and even how to get those tokens in the video down below, because you need those 3 tokens. AVAX, obviously, to pay for the transaction fees as you're interacting with the contract. You also need USDT to purchase MQT, because you need MQT to purchase your Lenny miners, and you also need MQT to purchase your docking slots, right? But in order to get MQT, you need USDT. Okay, you need USDT. And you also need USDT if you want to evolve your miners, right? So those are the 3 tokens you need, and you'll be good to go. So anyway, just a quick video, just to let you know the potential here. Of course, there's no guaranteed, amount that you'll make every single day. It's all based on your physical activity. It's all based on how the token is doing, how many shares you're getting, et cetera, et cetera. So again, no guarantees, but just showing you the potential and what can happen. And there's people that are just crushing this thing, making seven. I posted a picture of a buddy of mine who made $700 the other day walking. There's people making $700, $800, $900 a day doing it's just crazy. Anyway, check this out. I'll leave a link down below. This is Get Fit Mining. If you have any questions, hit me up. As always, guys, do your own research, risk capital only. Make sure you follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. And with that being said, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.